In Littleton, New Hampshire, homeowners grew tired of water entering their basement. They hired the responsible waterproofing experts at Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems to turn their wet, nasty basement into a clean, dry, usable space. Northern Basement Systems designed a custom waterproofing system to address all of the customers' concerns. Call 855-DRY-TIME today to book your free estimate on basement waterproofing and all things basement. Visit www.northernbasements.com for more information on basement waterproofing and all things basement.